بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، السلام علیکم۔ امید کرتا ہوں کہ آپ لوگ سارے خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ڈیئر اسٹوڈینٹس، ہسٹری کلاس 7 جو کہ پنجاب ٹیکسٹ بک کا نیا کورس ہے، اس کے یونٹ نمبر 2 کی آج کویسچن آنسرس کریں گے۔ تو اس یونٹ نمبر 2 کا نام ہے اسپریڈ آف اسلام ان یورپ اینڈ ایشیا۔ اچھا، تو پہلے وہ والے شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن کریں گے جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں، اور ان کے علاوہ میں آپ لوگوں کو ایکسٹرا شارٹ کویسچن اور لانگ کویسچن بھی کراؤں گا۔ تو پہلے وہ والے کویسچن شارٹ کویسچن کرتے ہیں جو کتاب میں دیے گئے ہیں۔ کویسچن نمبر 2، گیو شارٹ آنسرس آف دی فالوئنگ۔ تو کویسچن نمبر 1، ہو واز معاویہ دی فرسٹ؟ تو اس کا آنسر ہے معاویہ دی فرسٹ واز دی فاؤنڈر آف دی امید ڈائنیسٹی۔ ہی بیکیم دی فرسٹ امید caliph and established his capital at Damascus. Question number 2. When did Abbasids reclaim the caliphate from Cairo, Egypt? تو اس کا آنسر ہے دی Abbasids reclaimed the caliphate in 1261 when they re-established their authority in Cairo under the Mamluks after the fall of Baghdad. Question number 3. Who was Marwan the first? تو اس کا آنسر ہے مروان دی فرسٹ واز این امید caliph who restored stability during a period of internal conflict and strengthened Umayyad role. تو question number 4. When did the Abbasids vanquished the Umayyad dynasty? تو اس کا آنسر ہے دی Abbasids vanquished the Umayyad dynasty in 750 CE and took control of the caliphate. Question number 5. When did Muhammad bin Qasim arrive in the subcontinent? تو اس کا آنسر ہے محمد بن قاسم arrived in the subcontinent in 712 CE. اچھا، تو اب ہے لانگ کویسچن۔ کویسچن نمبر 3، write the answers of the following in detail. Question number 1. Describe the significant advancements of Umayyads. تو اس کا آنسر ہے دی Umayyad dynasty made great advancement in administration, expansion and architecture. They established a centralized system of government and declared Arabic is the official language which improved administration. Their empire expanded widely, reaching North Africa, Spain, and parts of Central Asia. They also made remarkable contributions to architecture by constructing grand mosques and buildings such as the Dome of the Rock. In addition, they developed roads and postal systems which helped in better communication and governance. اچھا، کویسچن نمبر 2، ڈسکس دی ایڈوانسمنٹس آف Abbasids ڈائنیسٹی۔ تو اس کا آنسر ہے دی Abbasid ڈائنیسٹی از فیمس فار اٹس فوکس آن نالج اینڈ کلچر لیڈنگ ٹو دی اسلامک گولڈن ایج. دے میڈ بغداد اے سینٹر آف لرننگ ویئر اسکالرس ٹرانسلیٹڈ امپارٹنٹ ورکس فرام گریک، پرشین and Indian languages into Arabic. They made a significant progress in science, medicine, mathematics, and astronomy. Institutions like the House of Wisdom promoted research and education. Trade and culture also flourished during their role, connecting different regions of the world. اچھا، تو کویسچن نمبر 3، ڈسکرائب دی ارائیول آف محمد بن قاسم ان دا سب کانٹیننٹ۔ تو اس کا آنسر ہے محمد بن قاسم ارائیوڈ ان دا سب کانٹیننٹ ان 712 CE ایز اے general of the Umayyad Caliphate. He was sent to Sindh to deal with the pirates and establish control. He defeated Raja Dahir and established a Muslim rule in Sindh. He governed with justice and allowed religious freedom to local people. His arrival marked the beginning of Muslim rule in the region. اچھا، کویسچن نمبر 4، کمپیئر دی ایڈوانسمنٹ آف Abbasid and Umayyad dynasties. اس کا آنسر ہے دی Umayyad mainly focused on expanding the Islamic empire and strengthening political administration. They built a strong government system and spread Islamic rule over vast territories. On the other hand, the Abbasids focused on intellectual and cultural development. They promoted education, science, and literature. While the Umayyads were known for expansion, the Abbasids became famous for knowledge and innovation. Question number 5. Write a note on any two caliphs of Umayyad dynasty. इसका आंसर है Muawiyah the first was the founder of the Umayyad dynasty and brought stability after a time of conflict. He established an organized administrative system and strengthened the empire. Acha, Abdul Malik was another important caliph who introduced major reforms. He made Arabic the official language and issued Islamic coins. He also contributed to architecture, including the construction of the Dome of the Rock. Acha, so question number 4. Write a note on the contributions of any two caliphs of Abbasid dynasty. तो इसका आंसर है Harun al-Rashid was a famous Abbasid caliph known for promoting education, trade, and culture. His period is associated with prosperity and intellectual growth in Baghdad. Al-Mamun was another great caliph who strongly supported knowledge and science. He established the House of Wisdom where scholars translated and studied important works contributing greatly to learning. तो नेक्स्ट है क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चंस अबाउट उमैद एंड अब्बासिड डायनेस्टीज. ये किताब में दिए गए हैं ये क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग क्वेश्चन. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. हाउ डिड द Umayyads impact the Islamic dynasty? तो इसका आंसर है the Umayyads had a major impact on the Islamic dynasty by greatly expanding its boundaries. They spread Islamic rule from Spain in the west to Central Asia in the east. They also established a strong administrative system, introduced Arabic as the official language, and improved communication through roads and postal services. Their role helped unify a vast empire under one government. So, question number 2. In what ways did the Abbasid dynasty differ from the Umayyad dynasty? तो इसका आंसर है the Abbasid dynasty differed from the Umayyads mainly in their focus and policies. While the Umayyads emphasized expansion and political control, the Abbasids focused on knowledge, culture, and scientific development. The Abbasids treated non-Arabs more equally and made Baghdad a center of learning, unlike the Umayyads who were more Arabo-centered. Question number 3. Why did the Abbasids overthrow the Umayyads? तो इसका आंसर है the Abbasids overthrew the Umayyads due to widespread dissatisfaction among people, especially non-Arabs and certain Muslim groups who felt they were treated unfairly. The Umayyads were seen as favoring Arabs. The Abbasids gained support by promising equality and justice, which helped them successfully defeat the Umayyads in 750 CE. अच्छा, तो नेक्स्ट है क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. What were 5 achievements of the Islamic Golden Age? Answer. During the Islamic Golden Age, great achievements were made in various fields. Scholars made advancements in science, medicine, mathematics, astronomy, and literature. Important books were translated into Arabic, hospitals were established, and new discoveries were made that later influenced the modern world. Question number 5. What are the major impacts of Muhammad bin Qasim's expedition? तो इसका आंसर है Muhammad bin Qasim's expedition had lasting impacts on the subcontinent. It led to the establishment of Muslim rule in Sindh, introduced Islamic culture and administration, and promoted justice and religious tolerance. It also opened the region to trade and cultural exchange with the Muslim world. Question number 6. Why did the Abbasid dynasty fall? इसका आंसर है the Abbasid dynasty declined due to weak leadership, internal conflicts, and loss of control over distant provinces. Over time, their power weakened, and finally, the Mongol invasion of Baghdad in 1258 brought a major end to their rule. अब है 10 additional short questions with answers. Question number 1. Who founded the Abbasid dynasty? इसका आंसर है Abul Abbas Safa founded the Abbasid dynasty and became its first caliph in 750 CE. Question number 2. What was the capital of the Umayyad dynasty? तो इसका आंसर है the capital of Umayyad dynasty was Damascus. Question number 3. What was the capital of the Abbasid dynasty? तो इसका आंसर है the capital of the Abbasid dynasty was Baghdad. Question number 4. What is meant by the Islamic Golden Age? तो इसका आंसर है the Islamic Golden Age was a period of great progress in science, education, culture, and technology under the Abbasids. Question number 5. Who was Harun al-Rashid? तो इसका आंसर है Harun al-Rashid was a famous Abbasid caliph known for promoting learning, culture, and trade. Question number 6. Who built the House of Wisdom? तो इसका आंसर है the House of Wisdom was established by Caliph Al-Mamun in Baghdad to promote knowledge and translation of books. Question number 7. Who was Raja Dahir? Answer: Raja Dahir was the ruler of Sindh who was defeated by Muhammad bin Qasim. Question number 8. Why was Muhammad bin Qasim sent to Sindh? इसका आंसर है he was sent to Sindh to punish pirates who attacked Arab ships and to restore order. Question number 9. What language did the Umayyads make official? इसका आंसर है the Umayyads made Arabic the official language of their empire. Question number 10. What caused the fall of Baghdad in 1258? इसका आंसर है the fall of Baghdad was caused by the Mongol invasion which ended Abbasid rule there. अच्छा, अब है additional long questions with the answers. Question number 1. Describe the administrative system of the Umayyad dynasty. तो इसका आंसर है the administrative system of the Umayyad dynasty was well organized and efficient, which helped them govern a vast empire. They established a strong central government with the caliph as the supreme authority. Provinces were governed by appointed governors who maintained law and order. Use of Arabic language. One of their major reforms was declaring Arabic as the official language, which made administration easier across different regions. Development of infrastructure. They improved roads and introduced a postal system for quick communication. This helped in maintaining control over distant areas. Acha, question number 2. Explain the role of Baghdad as a center of learning during the Abbasid period. तो इसका आंसर है Baghdad became one of the greatest centers of knowledge during the Abbasid dynasty. It attracted scholars, scientists, and thinkers from different parts of the world. House of Wisdom. The establishment of the House of Wisdom was a major step in promoting education. Scholars translated important books from Greek, Persian, and Indian languages into Arabic. Advancement of knowledge. Significant progress was made in science, medicine, mathematics, and astronomy. These contributions later influenced Europe and other regions. Baghdad's intellectual environment made it a symbol of the Islamic Golden Age. Question number 3. Discuss the policy of religious tolerance under Muhammad bin Qasim. तो इसका आंसर है Muhammad bin Qasim followed a policy of justice and tolerance after conquering Sindh. He treated the local population with fairness and respect. Freedom of religion. He allowed non-Muslims to practice their religions freely and did not force conversions. Fair administration. Local people were allowed to keep their positions and were treated equally under the law. Taxes were imposed fairly without oppression. His tolerant policies helped in maintaining peace and stability in the region. Question number 4. Explain the importance of trade during the Abbasid period. Answer. Trade played a vital role in the prosperity of the Abbasid Empire. Their location connected Asia, Africa and Europe, making them a center of global trade. अच्छा, trade routes and goods. Merchants traded goods such as silk, spices, perfumes and precious metals. Trade routes extended across land and sea. Economic growth. These trade brought wealth and prosperity to the empire. Cities like Baghdad became busy commercial centers. Trade also helped in the exchange of ideas and culture between different regions. अच्छा, question number 5. Describe the causes of the decline of the Umayyad dynasty. तो इसका आंसर है the decline of the Umayyad dynasty was due to several political and social factors. Unfair treatment. Non-Arabs were often treated unequally, which caused dissatisfaction among many people. Internal conflicts. There were frequent rebellions and conflicts within the empire that weakened their control. Rise of Abbasids. The Abbasids gained support by promising justice and equality. This eventually led to the defeat of the Umayyads in 750 CE. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये थे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स यूनिट नंबर 2 या चैप्टर नंबर 2 के हिस्ट्रिकल 7 के. अच्छा, तो यहाँ पे मैं अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर भी दे रहा हूँ. तो ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स अगर आप लोगों को पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में चाहिए तो इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर मुझे आप लोग वॉइस मैसेज कर सकते हैं या टेक्स्ट मैसेज कर सकते हैं. तो फिर मैं आप लोगों को ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेज दूंगा. लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों ने एक काम करना होगा, यानी इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना होगा और फिर उसका स्क्रीनशॉट भी मुझे भेज दीजिएगा. तो उसके बाद मैं ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स आप लोगों को पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट में भेज दूंगा. तो जाते जाते आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि इस चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करना है. ये लेक्चर या वीडियो अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो तो इसको लाइक भी करना है, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करना है. इंशाल्लाह मिलेंगे यूनिट नंबर 3 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ. उस वक्त तक इजाज़त चाहता हूँ. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.